Hi there, and welcome to My Smart cooking program where I cook food that's not only simple and easy to prepare, but also tasty to eat. Today I'm cooking a quiche. I've never cooked a quiche before. I looked online and found a few different quiche recipes and found some things that I like. I put them all together and hopefully I've come up with something that I will like and you will like as well. Anyway, that's enough talk for now. Let's get the pots and pans out and let's get cooking. For today's recipe, we're going to require about 150 grams of the ham, 3 medium-sized mushrooms, 150 grams of the cheddar cheese, 6 eggs, 3 spring onions, some filet pastry, some salt and pepper, and some spray oil, and some thickened cream. I'm going to start by cutting out my filling ingredients. First, the mushrooms. Fairly thinly sliced. Next, spring onions. And finally, the ham. The recipe calls for 150 grams of ham. This piece here is about just over half a kilo, so just a bit under a third. Clean it up and then we'll dice it. That looks good enough. It looks pretty good. Next, it's over to the fry pan with our ingredients. We'll turn it on the heat and get some temperature into the wok. Put in just about a couple of tablespoons of oil in. I'm using canola oil today. I think the oil is ready, so first I'll put in the ham. Give it a bit of a stir. Only needs to be cooked for a couple of minutes. Now I'm putting in both the mushrooms and the spring onions. The mushrooms will release a little bit of moisture, so we're just going to let them cook down a little bit. Giving it a bit of a stir every now and again. Looks pretty good now. I think it's time to just take it off the heat. We'll leave that there for now and go over to our bench and start preparing our base. Traditionally, quiche is made using a short crust pastry as the base, but I'm going to use filet pastry instead. Start off by giving the pan a bit of a spray with spray oil. Then we start layering our filet pastry. Just a little bit over the side. In between layers, give it another bit of a spray. All in all, I'll probably put about 5 layers of the phyllo in. We'll put this to the side and start working on the next stage of our quiche. Preheat the oven to about 180 degrees Celsius. We start off by cracking 6 eggs into the bowl. Did pretty well, only one small piece of shell. Add 150 millilitres of the thickened cream. Looks about right. In goes the grated cheddar. In goes the pepper. And the salt. It's about a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Let's get it all together. Combining all the ingredients well. Now we start putting it all together. Ham and mushroom goes in. Looks good. Now our egg and cream mixture goes in. And spread that out evenly. The mixture will rise a bit. It should rise to the top of our pan. The quiche goes into the oven for around about 30-35 minutes. Looks about cooked. We'll just leave it there to cool for a while before we take it out of the pan. It sure does look good. I think that's sufficiently cool now to take it off the tray and give it a bit of a taste. A quiche of this size will serve between 4 and 6 people, or one of me. As always, we come down to the moment of truth, the taste test. That's good quiche. I'll definitely be cooking this one again. That tastes great. I hope you enjoyed today's show. If you did, hit a like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Don't forget, hit the bell icon to be reminded about when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.